Hi children, how are you all? Now we are going to see new lesson. Shall we move on new lesson? Okay children? Unit number 2. Towards history. Towards history. First, you can see the Stone Age. Okay students? Stone Age. Stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. Okay students? Stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. In the early days, humans did not know any tools and metals. It took many years to find them. Humans at the time did not know the script. Okay, students, shall we move on next topic? Nature of evolution. Okay, students. Ancient peoples and animals lived together in the wild. They used tools to protect themselves and repel animals. They ate everything raw, including flesh. Flesh means meat. Beginning, he did not know how to make fire. The dog was help of the hunt, and the dog was raised as a pet. Okay, students. They took the dog wherever they went. They started raising the cattle and very useful to them. They observed some grain growing along the riverside. They ate them and found it very tasty. Okay, students. Early man found that the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Finally, they learned the art of cultivation. They learned the art of cultivation. At the first day, they were afraid when they saw the fire in the forest. First day they were afraid. Okay, students, when they saw the fire in the forest. They found some animals dead due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animal. It tasted good. They found some animals dead due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animal. It tastes very good. Okay, students. They noticed a path came out by the two stones scratching to the stones together. They noticed the spark came out by two stones scratching two stones together. Okay, students. They made a fire and started cooking and eating. Okay, students. Shall we move on next topic? Okay, now museum. Do you know museum? Museum is a place where objects which are rare and used by our ancestors are preserved. These give information about the lives of people. Therefore, it is important to preserve the remains of the past. Remains are the object or things used by the people of the past which got buried under the earth. Okay, students. Early man used quartzite, a type of stone, for making tools and weapons. That is a type of stones. Okay, students. A type of stone called flint stone was used to produce fire. This is a stone weapon. Okay, students. This is a stone weapon. This is a bone. Okay. Now, cultivation. Ancient humans did not know about the cultivation. Okay, early man did not know about cultivation. They wandered in many places in search of the food and ate the food. Okay, students, they wandered in many places. They are wandered many places in search of the food and ate the food. Okay, students, they drank water from natural sources. Drank water from natural sources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. This kind of life was called nomadic life. Okay, children. Do you understand? Okay. They wore leaves, skins of animals, barks of trees cover their bodies. Okay, students. They lived in caves and in the holes of the big tree. They lived in the caves. They lived in the caves and also big trees. Okay, students. Animals were hunted using stone as tools. Okay. This period is called the New Stone Age. This period is called New Stone Age or Neolithic. Neolithic Age. Okay, this is called New Stone or Neolithic Age. Okay, students. The rest of the lesson can be seen in the next class. Okay, students. Thank you so much.